Hey stats students, I just wanted to make a quick video talking about one of the homework problems. I was getting some questions on that had to do with roulette and playing when you had a 2-to-1 payout if you're betting on 2-to-1 odds. So it can be a little bit confusing. Let's go ahead and think about it. And so if I am playing a game that plays 2-to-1 payouts for 2-to-1 odds, then what would happen if I lost every time let's say I'm betting $1? And so if I do lose, well then I lose my dollar that I bet, so I'm at -$1. And if I did win, well since it's a 2-to-1 payout, then I actually get paid $2. So that's wonderful. So let's kind of think about what would be a way to break even with these 2-to-1 odds. And so let's say that I play 3 times. So let's say I play 3 times. Maybe my first time I do well and I win. And if I win, then I get paid $2. So I'm up $2. And if I'm kind of thinking of a way that I could break even, then, well, my second time and my third time would both need to be losses at -1 and -1, and then you can just kind of add those up, and you can see, oh yeah, we'll be at a net of 0, breaking even, okay? And so kind of taking that into account, if I were to play 3 times, then I would need to win 1 time out of every 3 times that I play in order to just break even. So now if we kind of extrapolate that idea and say, okay, well, what would need to happen for me to make money and profits? Or what would need to happen in order for me to be losing money? And so if I'm breaking even at winning exactly 1 out of 3, well then if I won more than 1 out of every 3, well then I would be profiting. That would be good. And if I won less than 1 out of 3, if I win any less than 1 out of 3, well then I'm going to be losing money. And so that's, kind of the simplest way to think about it, just playing 3 times. And so now let's think, well, what if I were to play more times? Maybe, what if I were to play maybe 30 times? So what if I were to play 30 times? And let's say maybe I want to know how many times I would have to win in order to maybe be losing money. Okay, so if I want to know, okay, well, what's going to happen if I'm going to lose money? Well, I would need to win less than 1/3 of the time, less than 1 out of 3, but that's for just playing 3 times. And so if I want to say, well, I'm going to be playing 30 times, well, then I'm just going to multiply that by 30. So now, how many times would I need to win or what would happen in order for me to be losing money in this situation? Well, then that would be, 30 divided by 3. So that would be x is less than 10. So if I won less than 10 times, then I'm going to be losing money. Now remember, that's strictly less than, because exactly 10 times, well, I guess that would be 1/3. And so then, therefore, I would be breaking even. So if I won 10 times, I wouldn't be losing money, I'd be breaking even. So I guess if I won 9 times or less, so if I won 0 times or 1 time or 2 times or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, anywhere 0 to 9, that cumulative result, I would be losing money. Okay, hopefully this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions.